What if a single star could upend our entire understanding of the universe's age? Could we entertain the idea of a universe that defies our current assumptions? In a truly remarkable moment for the field of science, the James Webb Space Telescope has unveiled a star whose age raises profound questions about our established cosmic knowledge. The James Webb Space Telescope has the potential to revolutionize our comprehension of the universe. Consider, for a moment, a universe that is not merely 13.7 or 13.8 billion years old, as was conventionally believed, but one that may have existed for an astounding 26.7 billion years or even longer. Take a moment to let that sink in. This new perspective suggests a universe twice as ancient as our prior understanding. The implications of this revelation are profound. It opens the door to a multitude of extraordinary events and phenomena that were previously absent from our calculations. This groundbreaking revelation originates from a study conducted by Dr. Rajendra Gupta, a professor of physics at the University of Ottawa. Should this hypothesis prove accurate, it would fundamentally alter our conception of the universe. Dr. Gupta has managed to unravel the perplexing enigma known as the impossible early galaxy problem. The James Webb Space Telescope, in the summer of 2023, made an astounding discovery. It identified 6 galaxies so old and peculiar that they defy the conventional notion of the Big Bang Theory. For years, scientists have been estimating the age of the universe in 2 primary ways: by calculating the time elapsed since the Big Bang, and by studying the oldest stars based on redshift. Redshift is the phenomenon that occurs when light from an object moving away from us traverses space and time, becoming stretched in the process, causing a shift towards the red end of the light spectrum. As of 2021, scientists were relying on a model known as lambda-CDM concordance to estimate the universe's age, which was approximately 13.79 billion years. However, these 6 galaxies discovered by the James Webb Telescope presented a perplexing conundrum. They existed a mere 300 million years after the Big Bang, but exhibited the mass and maturity typically associated with galaxies billions of years old. These galaxies were not only smaller, but were also remarkably well organized, featuring a star formation rate that left researchers astonished. It appeared that these ancient galaxies had been vigorous starburst galaxies, giving birth to an unprecedented number of new stars annually, a phenomenon incongruent with the existing Big Bang theory. Dr. Fritz Zwicky, a Swiss astronomer, made a notable contribution to the field of astronomy with his 1929 theory of tired light. According to this theory, the redshift observed might not be solely related to the distance of light, as previously believed. This simple model suggests that objects with the highest redshift are the farthest from us, moving away, and are among the oldest entities in the cosmos. Zwicky's theory proposed that the shift in light frequency towards the red spectrum could also occur due to light losing energy during its extensive journey through the universe. For a long time, Zwicky's theory contradicted the prevailing astronomical observations. However, Dr. Gupta has suggested that this misunderstanding of redshift might account for the enigma of a star appearing older than the universe itself, along with the 6 perplexing galaxies. Should it be proven true, the ramifications would extend beyond mere age estimation. It would necessitate a comprehensive revision of our early cosmological understanding, including the expansion of the universe. The current state of affairs regarding the veracity of astronomical theories is fraught with uncertainty. Something is amiss with the existing theories, and solutions to these pressing questions remain elusive. Dr. Gupta has taken it a step further by postulating a new hypothesis based on the work of physicist Paul Dirac. Coupling constants, fundamental physical principles governing particle interactions may not be constant over time. In simpler terms, this would imply that light and matter behave differently in the early universe than they do presently. While this hypothesis could potentially explain the mystery of the impossible galaxies, it also introduces new challenges. How can we determine the age of the oldest objects in the cosmos or the formation of our universe by observing these distant and peculiar entities? Finding answers to these questions will require time, unbiased investigation, and a departure from preconceived notions. It remains an open question when we will definitively ascertain the existence of the Big Bang and the actual age of our universe. The enigma of the impossible galaxies underscores a significant point. Regardless of how scientists label them, these galaxies are tangible entities that defy existing scientific postulates. The James Webb Telescope does not interpret or compare its findings with pre-existing theories. It merely presents the raw data, leaving researchers with the task of reconciling these discoveries with established knowledge. The James Webb Telescope's advanced light filtering technologies offer a promising avenue for uncovering more about these early galaxies and investigating Dr. Gupta's evolving coupling constants. To develop a new understanding, it is imperative to meticulously study the formation of early galaxies over a span of hundreds of millions to billions of years. Only then can we gain insights into why these galaxies appear so advanced for their age. Dr. Gupta has taken his research a step further by challenging the traditional interpretation of cosmological constants. These constants, which include the concept of dark energy propelling the universe to expand at an accelerated pace, may not be as fixed as previously believed. Dr. Gupta has proposed the existence of evolving coupling constants, which would account for why these early galaxies are smaller than expected and present a more accurate representation of the universe. This revised model suggests that the process of time and galaxy formation spans several billion years, resulting in an estimated universe age of approximately 26.7 billion years, a stark departure from the previously accepted 13.8 billion years. Dr. Gupta's calculations challenge our existing understanding of the universe's age and offer the tantalizing possibility that the universe is far older than previously thought. This revelation has the potential to provide explanations for groundbreaking discoveries, such as the impossible galaxies and the stars seemingly older than the universe itself. The James Webb Telescope has ushered in a new era of astronomical exploration, enabling astronomers to peer deeper and more accurately into the cosmos than ever before. The entire mission has been aptly termed a journey to cosmic dawn by NASA and other participating nations. This mission sends a clear message that previous estimates might have been flawed. The telescope's observations have revealed galaxies so old and evolved that they do not align with the traditional concept of cosmic dawn. In the summer of 2023, the James Webb Telescope embarked on a remarkable endeavor. It captured light from a total of 44 galaxies that had formed in the first 500 years of the universe, based on the assumption that the universe is 13.8 billion years old. However, the impossible galaxies are not isolated anomalies. With every deeper glimpse into the cosmos, more galaxies are being discovered. Some of these galaxies existed in an organized and brilliantly radiant state, only 200 million years after the supposed Big Bang, a fact that challenges the conventional Big Bang theory. According to the standard model of cosmology, there should have been only single stars, groups of stars, or rudimentary structures of galaxy formation at this point in time, but not fully formed galaxies that appear to be billions of years old. What's more, these primordial galaxies were emitting an astonishing amount of energy into space, nearly 10 times more than scientists had predicted. This remarkable phenomenon has prompted intense investigation. Do you believe that the universe's age could be significantly different from our previous estimates based on the recent discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope? Share your insights and opinions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates about lunar discoveries and the future of space exploration. Remember, as we venture into the universe, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Keep looking up.